So I will want to introduce you with 5-6 exercises. They're called RITES of BALANCE. And these are great practices if you want to skip yoga and do something different that will increase your blood circulation, get that stretch, get the strengthening it, and also activate the chakras, the energy centers that are running through our body. And when we do this exercise, it activates all and spins all 7 chakras that we have within our body, which runs throughout the 12 meridians. It's very, very essential. If one of the chakras or energy centers are blocked or it's slow, then we experience illnesses or slowing down, lower energy. And to keep it up ongoing, also aging as well, keep it up and going, you need to practice this and get this into your routine. And I would recommend you to do this every single morning. And now we want to increase the numbers. So we will start with smaller range. So we'll start with 7 or 8 reps. You see how it goes. I will do 8 and you can do with me. And then on your own, you can start increasing the reps as you go till up to 21 reps. Okay, so this is my practice for the morning, and I wanted to share this with you because it really helps. Sometimes when I feel sluggish, I just do this exercise that doesn't require lots of energy, but actually brings the energy, blood circulation, brings the oxygen into the system, and you can start your day. It's better if you do this exercise with empty stomach, because there is lots of bending and breathing, so you don't want to have the belly full. Yeah, so the best thing is brush your teeth and have some water and perform this, and then you go and do some breakfast, and then you can start your day. All right, let's begin then. So the first one is number 1. We will spin. So it's like a clock. We'll create a clock. We'll have one arm facing, palm facing up. So I always prick my left one, and then I will prick that middle finger up there. Yeah. So that will be my my point where I will always be looking at. Now the other arm, the palm is facing down, and I will just spin. As I spin, so to not get dizzy, which I will, you will also, but so that you don't fall down. So this is your reference, the mid finger. And let's spin together for 8 reps, 7-8 reps. So you pick your number, okay? Let's go. And as you spin, you want to breathe fully in, fully out. That's 1, 2. Keep breathing. 3, 4. You are like a clock spinning around your axis, following that mid finger. 5, 6, 7. You don't have to say the number, I just say it for myself, otherwise I will forget. And that's 8. Now when I come into the center, I will look when my thumbs are, and just still focus on that till I find my balance, till I find that point that I don't feel dizzy anymore. So you can stay here for a little bit longer. You can pause this video, stay a little bit longer until you start feeling like, oh yeah, I can stand and I can be fully present. And the next one will go down onto the floor. So for this one, you will do again 8 times or 7, whatever you picked for yourself. So make sure your shoulders are onto the floor. We'll bring the both legs down onto the floor. So now it's very, very interesting, because when you do core exercises, you breathe out as you lift your legs up. Now it's a reverse, okay? So we'll inhale as we bring the legs up. Exhale, bringing them back. I will also lift your head up. Now, if you find it something, your spine is fragile, or there's some kind of tear, or you won't want to do it, avoid it at any cost and move to the next one. Okay? So place your palms under the floor, and what you will do, inhale, chin to the collarbone, palms, the feet are facing the ceiling, and exhale, bring it down, and again. Together with your breath. I have 3 more left. And just relax. Bring your hands above your head and just relax. Now is the time. Pay attention to your blood, to your heart started to beat a lot faster. So the blood is started to pump a lot faster. Just tune into your body. Do you notice any energy changes or the places you haven't felt before this exercise? And just rest. And when you feel good to go, we'll turn around and we'll move on to the next exercise. So this exercise, we will open the chest and we'll slightly flex our spine as well, outward. So it's like opening up, looking up towards the ceiling. So starting position with your palms facing your front legs. And then as you inhale, you'll open up the chest and then placing your hands behind on your hips, looking upwards. And exhale. Let's go. Inhale. Five to go for B. 4 to go. Toes tucked under. And to rest and get that deep stretch, just bring yourself into the child's pose. So bring your hands forward so you get that stretch in your chest area. Place your forehead onto the floor and breathe into your belly. Close your eyes to feel and get into your body. Noticing how does it feel after this exercise. And when you can return to your normal breathing, you're ready for the next one. So for this one, you rotate and we will go, I call it a crab stretch. So it helps to open your chest, your heart center, also stretching your hip flexors. So together with the breath. So we'll inhale as we bring ourselves up, exhale, we'll bring ourselves down. To start with, it's legs straight, same with your shoulders, feet up, so toes facing up the ceiling, hands down to your hips. And then now that I will inhale, I'll bring myself up, okay? Ready? Let's go. Exhale down, come back into the starting position and chin facing, chin to the collarbone. And let's go again. And the same number. You also feel the stretch in your shoulders, which is a good thing. To get that nice deep stretch, slowly bringing your head, your back onto the floor. Close your eyes and And just relax. Again, you will notice your heart is beating a lot faster. Your throat might feel more open. As the energy moves through you, think about the blood that runs throughout the body as the heart beats, with the oxygen that you delivered to your cells. Beautiful. And we are moving on to the fifth exercise, which is we're starting into the chest to the floor. Okay, and then as you exhale, place your hands down to your chest, and so that will be when we go into downward dog position, we will do the inhale, exhale up, okay? Tuck your toes under and let's go. So inhale, downward dog. Exhale, cobra, opening the chest. I told you it's something similar to yoga. Two more for me. Good, pushing those chests down. And that's the last one. And then bring your chest down. Fold your hands underneath your chin. Close your eyes. Or you can place it on your forehead and just relax. Again, notice how your body is awakened. How the breath has accessed every single cell of yours. And you feel more alive. Okay, and I wanted to introduce you with the sixth exercise, which can bring your energy up. So you can perform this every single day, any time of the day when you need to pick up and you feel like lack of oxygen, you don't have time to go anywhere for a walk to get the oxygen, because many times if we are working indoors, we don't have energy. One of the reasons because we don't have enough oxygen. Okay, so because when we breathe CO2 out, the oxygen from the fresh air, especially if we don't have a window open, we start breathing our own the deposits that we have excreted. Anyways, so let's perform. So it's gonna be, we are starting onto the 4-point kneeling. I always place my hands out, and we will go down. So we will inhale, so we'll go inhale, going, so inhaling, going up, exhale down. Okay, that's gonna be, we'll start with 30 reps and then we'll slowly reduce to 20 and then 10. Ready to do with me? It will be crazy, it'll look crazy, but it's worth it. And after that, we are coming up with our hands and just holding our breath, okay? Let's begin. That's it. We are ready. Let's go. So exhale down, inhale up. Hold your breath, don't let go. And let's go again, 20. Hold it till the last drop. Last 10, let's go. And we can relax. We can go into the child's pose with your hands down to your sides and just relax, forehead on the floor, and let your spine loose and breathing into your belly. Relaxing your shoulders, let them drop down. Relaxing every single bit. And slowly coming up, and you are a superstar. Well done for doing this with me. Trust me, if you do this every day, you will see the benefit, you will see results. Just keep consistent. You can increase 1 rep a week, or you can increase sooner if you find that you get less dizzier. So it's all about you listening to your body, and nobody else will tell you what's best for your body. If you experience any discomfort, please don't do it, do stop it. But their tingling sensation and dizziness is something that can be part of it, because we are spinning those energies within our body. See you till next video. Ciao, ciao.